In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Then click on this little clock icon at the top left corner and use those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings and manage all of those under alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back, and to create a new alarm use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Begin by setting up an hour and hitting OK. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. By clicking on repeat, you can click on white days of the week that you wish to exclude. Then by clicking on this little square next to vibrate, disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Now after doing that, click on little bell and choose one of those sound sources, ringtone or music. If you select music, hit OK, tap on Allow, and apply any song from your device by tapping on one of those sources, clicking on the song and going back. You can even record it, save it, and add it right away by clicking on it. If you want to, you can also select ringtone and tap on OK to access list of all of those melodies and apply the best one. Just tap on the chosen one and hit OK. Lastly, label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and choose OK. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray one. To hide all of those options, click at the bottom right corner of your alarm. To make them visible again, double tap. Lastly, to delete your alarm, use this bin at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!